Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So I am back with the hair tutorial on how I turned this fro into these braids. Let's get into it. So I started with this 3x Ghana hair. I actually only used half of it, like 1.5 bundles. And the color is T1B350. And it's an ombre, so it fades out. And it does that by actually thinning the hair out. So you're gonna get really thin ends, just as an FYI. I didn't realize that when I bought this hair. So what I did is I went ahead and parted my hair. I pulled out 8 pieces for each braid that I would be feeding into my cornrows. And one thing is you don't want to braid your edges down. So I separated my edges out before I started every braid. I don't include a close-up of the feed-in technique, so continue to search on YouTube for that video. But here is a close-up of how I end my braids. And I just do the double knot method. I double knot it once, take that piece, split it in half, and double knot it again. I bought this hair in Santiago, Chile, so if you are traveling internationally, you're wondering what you're gonna do in terms of hair, there are actually a ton of salons out there, so you could get your hair just braided, but because I like to do my own hair, I was also able to just buy some bundles and do this style in the comfort of my own home. So once I was done braiding, I oiled my scalp with this argan oil and castor oil mix. And then I brushed down my edges, laid them down with some Eco Styler gel, and then set it with a bandana for a few minutes. And of course I had to put on some hoops because what braid style is complete without hoops? And here's the final look. Super cute. I'm a fan. I like it. You know, cornrows, they're so classic. They're so classic, but it's been a while since I've had them. And here's how the ends are looking. You can see what I mean in terms of them being thin, but I'm like, So that is the video. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a like if you liked it. Subscribe to see more, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.